Good morning, Chef Bari here. I just realized I haven't got a chocolate chip cookie recipe, so this morning I'm going to do a chocolate chip cookie recipe. So first of all, you sift your dry ingredients. So it's 2 cups of flour, 1 and 2, and sift, and then 1 teaspoon of baking soda. That's not baking powder, that's baking soda. Sift, and you don't need a sifter for this, but salt. That's 1/2 teaspoon of salt. And you just mix these together. So that's your dry ingredients to start. Here I'm showing you the wet ingredients. You got vanilla, you got 2 cups of chocolate chips, you got 1 cup of room temperature butter, you got 1 cup of brown sugar, you got 2 eggs and 1/2 cup of sugar. And these will be combined with the dry ingredients that I already did. But right now I'm waiting for the butter to become room temperature before I start mixing. Hey, Chef Bari back again. Now we're going to cream the butter. Now we're going to add the brown sugar and also the sugar and the vanilla. This is the wet ingredients, and of course let's not forget the eggs, but we're gonna stir this up first and then add the eggs. So now we're gonna add the 2 eggs and mix again. Alright, so now we got the wet items already whipped up. Now we're going to add the dry items, which of course is the flour. And chocolate chips. Woohoo! The fun part. To make it easier, I put everything in a small bowl, and I got my scoop there. I got my cookie tray, and don't you love the Star Wars Darth Vader? My daughter gave that to me for Christmas last year, and I just love it. Of course, make sure your oven is set at 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Ready? Have everything ready to go, and so let's begin. For 10 to 12 minutes. Here we go. And there you go, my jumbo chocolate chip cookies. Just like the Cookie Monster. Yeah. Okay, this is my grandson Logan, and he's going to be the tester of my giant chocolate chip cookies. Go ahead, Logan.
Very good.
Awesome. Thank you. They look good. I think I'm going to have one too. And that's how you make chocolate chip cookies. Cheers, Chef Bari. My granddaughter, Ella, and she's going to be also a test taster of my giant monster chocolate chip cookies. Go ahead, Ella.
And I'm the true taste tester here because I know my sweets. It's chocolatey melted, very chocolatey melted chocolate, in the mouth. It's very creamy and sweet and delicious. I give it a 10 out of 10.
Right on. Thank you, Ella. Hey, what do you think of my chocolate chip cookies? This is my daughter, Trisha.
Very good.
Oh, thank you.